How to design a room with accurate measurements. Designing a room with accurate measurements is essential to ensuring your layout translates well into reality. Whether you're remodeling or planning new construction, Homestyler provides precise tools to help. Start in 2D mode and draw out your walls. As you draw, each wall automatically displays its measurement. You can adjust these by dragging the endpoints or by manually typing in the exact dimensions. You can also specify ceiling height, window size, and duggar placement down to the inch or centimeter. If you're working with contractors or want to test different furniture layouts, having correct dimensions will save time and avoid mistakes. In 3D view, you'll see exactly how each dimension affects space. You can even use walkthrough tools to visualize traffic flow or identify cramped areas. The ability to toggle between 2D and 3D while keeping measurements consistent makes Homestyler an ideal solution. Plus, the measurement tool allows you to define custom measurement units, whether you're working in meters, feet, or inches. This makes it accessible no matter where you are in the world. Homestyler also allows you to lock dimensions, so they stay fixed even if other elements shift. This is extremely helpful when working with fixed architectural constraints. Need even more accuracy? Activate grid lines and snapping, features to keep walls and objects perfectly aligned. Combined with the dimension tags and visual guides, these features make it easy to achieve professional level precision. Use the link in the description to join Homestyler for free and begin designing with confidence. Precise measurements are the foundation of great interior design, and Homestyler makes them effortless.